Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right paint for the job and why it matters. Acrylic dries fast, oil levels smoother finishes. Once chosen, gather your tools, brushes in sizes 0, 4, 10, a roller, tray, and a drop cloth, and lay out a small workstation. Make sure the surface is clean, sanded, and primed. Primer improves adhesion and hides stains. Now apply a thin first coat using light, even strokes. This establishes an even base and shows any problem spots to fix next. You move into applying multiple coats with attention to technique. Start each pass maintaining a wet edge so strokes blend and you avoid lap marks. This keeps finish uniform. Once the first coat is dry, sand lightly with 220 grit to knock down imperfections, and wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. Then apply thin subsequent coats, typically 2 to 3, waiting the manufacturer's drying time between layers. Thin coats build a stronger, smoother finish than one heavy coat. You finish by inspecting the painted surface under strong light to spot pinholes, drips, or uneven sheen. Touch up flaws with a fine brush and, if needed, apply a protective sealer or top coat. This increases durability and may need 24 to 72 hours to cure. If you encounter runs or sags, don't panic. Sand the area smooth, feather the edges, clean away dust, and recoat with a thin layer. This troubleshooting step restores uniformity without stripping the whole job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.